A senior police officer has accused South Sudan's suspended Petroleum minister of funding a deadly attack that killed hundreds of government soldiers in Nasir, Upper Nile State, during Friday's court session. Major General Basilio Thomas Wani, the police commissioner of Northern Barrow Gazole State, told the special court that Minister Puot Kang sent $30,000 to the White Army militia to help organize the attack on a South Sudan People's Defense Forces SSPDF base in March this year. Puot Kang, 40, is one of 8 top officials on trial, including suspended First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, 73, facing charges of treason, mass murder, terrorism, and crimes against humanity. According to the investigator, Puot Kang sent the money in 2 payments. The first, a small amount, was used for a ritual. The second, about $30,000, was distributed to 15 PAMS districts, with each receiving $2,000 to mobilize fighters. However, Wani said one local chief refused the money, saying he would not lead young people into war. The chief later lost his position after the Nasir County Commissioner, James Gatluek demanded he surrender his chieftaincy ribbon. Wani also claimed that Puot Kang kept in touch with the attackers through WhatsApp, receiving updates, names of those killed, and reports about the battle. He further alleged that Puot Kang spread false information on UN Radio Mireya about army movements, and also sent money to SPLMIO Commander Brigadiers General Hookdor Kang to buy weapons and ammunition used in the attack. A military report cited in court said 267 SSPDF soldiers, including General James Major, were killed in the Nasir assault. According to the prosecution, the first attack on March 3rd was led by Colonel Tor Gile Thone of the White Army, followed by another on March 4th. Prosecutors have also requested, involving both White Army fighters and SPLA-IO troops, that 10 more individuals, still at large, including top generals and White Army commanders, be brought to trial. Machar's defense lawyer, Dr. Jerry Ramondo Legg, objected to the evidence, saying it violated constitutional rights protecting private communication and property. The defense also argued that some prosecution questions were leading. Presiding Judge James Alaladeng postponed the hearing to Monday, October 20th, when the court will continue reviewing evidence against the remaining 7 accused. The other defendants are Mampal Dur, 37, Gotwech Lampush, 66, Lef General Gabriel Duplam, 53, Camilo Gatmay Kill, 47, Madingyak Riek, 45, Dominic Gatgok Riek, 2, 7. The government accuses Machar's SPLM, IO forces, and the White Army militia of jointly carrying out the March attack. The trial, which began on September 22nd,
from the deep traditions of South Sudan and Ethiopia to the rhythm of African music, the power of sports, the rise of technology, and the beauty of our wildlife and nature. This is Africa Reimagined. Share our stories. Keep Africa united through culture, knowledge, and pride. Uniting Africa through stories and culture. Subscribe now to Naath Global.